Hey everyone, Richard here. So time for another pack opening. Today we'll be opening up this Jungle pack. This is also from 1997, and it's also another smaller set. There's only 48 cards in it. I enjoy this one more than the last pack, but still not necessarily my favorite pack. There's some cards I'd like to pull from it, but let's just get into it and see what we get. Okay. Pull that out. Put our holographic right here. Let's see. So we got Jigglypuff, Weepinbell, Eevee, Oddish, Gloom, Mankey, Meowth, and Butterfree. And our holographic, Kangaskhan. Not necessarily what I was looking for again, but still really cool. I remember pulling one of these way back when. So let's get it sleeved up. Get another good look at that. It's a great looking card. Add him to the lineup. Alright guys, thanks for watching again. One last pack next time. We'll be opening the Space Set pack. So thanks for watching and take care.